Hello friends, welcome to another chapter of Speed Maths by Slidescope. In this chapter, you will learn how to find a square of numbers ending in 5 in your mind. So you don't have to use pen and paper. Obviously, in order to explain you, I have to write something here, but you can calculate these things in your mind. And the only thing that you must remember is that square of 5 is 25. So the first number that ends in 5 is 5 actually. 5 square is 25. Now most of the people also remember square of 15. So but now we will start the trick here. So the number here is 15. First what you have to do, just write 25. Okay, just write 25 in the end. And now what is this number? The number is 1. Leave 5 here. What is the number remaining? The number other than 5 is 1 here. So you have to focus on that number which is other than 5. So in this case there are two numbers in two digits here, and one digit is 5. You have to focus on the other digit. That digit is 1. Add 1 to this digit. You have to add 1 to this digit. Add 1 to this digit, right? And when you will add 1 to this digit, what is that digit? 2. And then multiply the sum with this number. So when you will add 1 to this digit, what will be your sum? 2. And what is 2 into 1? 2 into 1 is 2. So just write it here. So your number will become 225. So 225 is your square of 15. I know most of the people remember square up to 30. So it's not a problem calculating a square of 15. Again, we will have another chapter in our series. That chapter will be finding a square root of numbers. And if you remember a square of digits ending in 5, then finding a square root of number will also become easy. Approximation will also become easy. Now let's take another number 25. We have to find a square of 25. So what is a square of 25? So to find the square of 25, we just have to write, first you have to write 25 here. So write 25, and now do the same thing here. So you have to consider the other digit, right? The other digit is 2 in this case. So what is 2 plus 1? It is 3. And what is 3 into 2? It is 6. So answer will be 625. You just have to add 1 to it. I will write it here. You just have to add 1 to it, and then you have to, whatever you are getting here, so you have to multiply it back with the original number, and whatever you will get, you have to just write it here, and that will be your square root, square of that particular number. Now let's say 35. Let's say we want to find square of 35. Again we have to do the same thing. This time we will not write anything, we will try to find it. So this is 25, right? What is 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1 is 4, and what is 4 into 3? 12. So your square of 35 is 1225. Now similarly you can find 45 and 60, 45 and 55. Let's take another number 65. Suppose we have to find the square of 65. How can we do that? So again simple, First write 25 without thinking anything, just write 25 here. Now add 1 to 6, that is 7, and then 7 into 6, 42. Your answer is 4225. So let's take a 3-digit number here, 125. We have to find a square of 125 here. Now again, for this type of squares, multiplication of 2-digit number, you must remember table up to 12. So if you remember table up to 20, so if you have your full confidence on table up to 20, then you can find the square of these numbers very quickly. But let's see. So in this case also, I said that you just have to leave 5. So your number in this case will be 12, right? So first write 25 here. So we have written 25. What is 12 plus 1? That is 13. And what is 13 into 12? That is 156. So the square will be 15625. Now let's take another number here. Let's take 155. So we have to find the square of 155. Again, in most of the questions where we have to find the square root, if we know the square root of these numbers, or if we can calculate square, if we know the square of these numbers, or if we can calculate square of these numbers in our mind, so then it will really become easy to find square roots also. So here again we will write 25 here. What is 15 plus 1? 15 plus 1 is 16, and what is 16 into 15? It is 240. So again, if you remember table of 16 up to 20, so you can find this very easily. So this is our answer, and that's how you can find a square of numbers ending in 5 in your mind. Go ahead, try examples like 45, 55, 75, 85, and you will find the square of these numbers very easily.